This is the Black and Decor air purifier, and today we're going to put some essential oil on this purifier and let's see how it works. First, you should not mix the essential oil with the water. You must like pull the tray which is here, just pull it, and you can see there is a sponge here, and you put the essential oil right here and like close it. This is the essential oil, and now we're gonna put some essential oil here, few drops. Okay, that's cool. Now after this, now you just close it. There we go. Now you put this, I put some water here. It's done. I'll plug it. Now let's see if the air mark on. You can smell the air mark. Yep, it works.